Hey, welcome to the video. This one's going to be on the 2023 Nissan Rogue, and the customer stated that he was experiencing that the coolant hand was starting to go up as he was sitting, but once he take off it goes back down and the AC starts to work. He said as long as he's sitting, the AC doesn't work and it tries to overheat. On a lot of these newer cars, what'll happen is for safety reasons, if the coolant fan is not cooling off the engine sufficiently for the AC to work, the AC will shut down to prevent you from pretty much overheating your compressor and messing up your AC system. So what we're going to do is go ahead and change out this fan assembly. We're going to retest everything, make sure everything is good. Already checked the relays, I checked the fuses, and everything checked out good. So when I went and wiggled on the fan blade, I could feel a wobble, so that lets me know that the motor inside of the fan went out. So we're going to go in and change that out, and I'm pretty positive that everything will be fixed and he'll be back driving with his AC again. Alright, so thank you for watching the video, and as always, keep God first in everything you do. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.